chocolate or vanilla. What's your flavor? Today, I'm going to be making some chocolate syrup. I'm tired of buying the Hershey's and the ingredients in it, so if they can make it, we can make it homemade. So come along with me. This is my very first time ever making this, so if I can do it, you can do it. First thing that you need is 1 cup of water, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. This I got at Sam's Club, and it is the cacao powder, a lot healthier for you. But that's 3/4 cup. And this, I'm going to have to see if I can cut this in a different way. 1 cup of sugar. Now I do use natural sugar, so that might be a good thing. And I am supposed to bring this to a simmer on medium heat. Now I understand this will get a little thick, and if I wanted to make it even more chocolatey, just add 2 more tablespoons of the cocoa powder. But since this is our first time, we're going to go with the directions. Well, I might not use measuring spoons for some things. So I'll get this up on a simmer. Okay, it's just starting to simmer. We don't want to let it do is come to a boil, but let it simmer. It says that it's going to expand. I can already tell it's getting a little thicker than it was. See, we don't want it to boil. And I've got it off the heat, and you can kind of see it boiling. But it did get a lot thicker in the pan, and notice that it's expanded. It seems like I got a lot more than what I originally put in there. Ooh, it's got a really rich, dark color. And so once it has simmered for the 3 minutes, then I'm to take it off and to put in kosher salt. It says do not use table salt. And I looked to see what the difference was. Well, one, kosher salt is coarser, but it's a little denser. And so you have to use more of this to get the taste of table salt. So table salt is a lot saltier. So they say between 1/4 and 1/8. 1/8 to 1/4, and I used 1/4. It says use 1 to 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 1, 2, and this vanilla always comes a little up at the end. I'm using the vanilla paste. Ooh, look at how good that looks. So now I'm to let it cool. Then I can put it in a glass jar, put it into the refrigerator, and let the flavors come together before using it. And I'll set it there overnight, and then in the morning we can make something, put it in a coffee or hot chocolate or chocolate milk. And then if it's in an airtight container, it can store in the refrigerator for up to 1 month. Let's just taste it and see how it tastes. It's got a really thick, rich chocolate flavor. And as much sugar as I put into it, you hardly taste the sugar. This is going to be a much healthier choice. Oh, that's delicious. I really like it as that. You don't get a lot of sweetness to it, but you get the chocolatey flavor. Oh, this is definitely one that we'll keep around in our home. No more store-bought chocolate sauce. I hope you'll try this recipe. It'll be in the description box. Have yourself a chocolatey, wonderful day. I'm proud of myself. Tomorrow, come back because I'm going to make homemade caramel sauce.